Hello, this is Term Project Part 2 for ECE 6520. This is Group J. So right here we have our circuit set up, and right now it is reading temperature values on this Arduino with this thermistor right here. And you can see that reflected in the serial monitor here, where it comes up with temperature in degrees Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. But the value that's being transmitted over the CAN bus is the CAN TX value, which is a rounded off version of the Fahrenheit. That's uploaded from this code. This is the send code. So it does calculations to convert the analog value of the thermistor to a temperature. And then this is the receive code, which takes that temperature data and outputs a motor speed dependent on that. So right now it's reading low because the temperature range is low. Once we get past 70 degrees Fahrenheit, then we will start to see the motor turn on. So right now I'm going to heat up the thermistor, and you can see it's hitting the low medium condition. Sometimes you need to kick this a little. And you can see that the motor is spinning now, and we're getting a reading on the oscilloscope. Channel 1 is without the low pass filter, and channel 2 is with the low pass filter. You can see the attenuated noise from that. So now let's get to the high speed condition, and the high speed condition is based off of going above 85 degrees Fahrenheit. So if we get to that, yep, you can see the motor speed is at its max, and you can see the low pass filter doing its job as well. Thank you. Oh, and one more thing. We had to omit the op amp in the circuit because the op amp output voltage was not getting high enough for the base voltage of the transistor to go in saturation mode. So we had to modify the circuit such that the DAC output goes directly to the gate of a MOSFET, which is the 3205,